Hi, I'm Amelia Simpkins, and I teach English as a second language online while traveling around the world. Or from room to room. It was a year ago today that I was living in Marrakesh, Morocco, and I booked my $297 flight back to my motherland, the USA. If you saw my last video, you know that I recently moved into a new apartment in the little village neighborhood of Chicago with my cat Shadow. Well, since then, someone else special has also moved in. Today is Mother's Day, and in celebration, I'd like to share 6 expressions with mother with my mother. Expression number 1, the mother of all. This is used to say that something is bigger or better than all other things of the same kind. However, some people use it to say that something is worse, which makes me wonder what they think of their mothers. Check this out. This is a small coffee. After being in Morocco for over a year, this small American coffee looked like the mother of all coffees. What's expression number 2, Mama?
Mother Nature.
This is a term used to refer to the natural world as if it were a woman. It's like a personification of nature that focuses on the life-giving and nurturing aspects of nature by embodying it in the form of the mother. I love spending time with Mother Nature, but I can't right now while my mother is stuck in bed. So we watched YouTube videos of Mother Nature instead. Expression number 3, your mother tongue. This just means one's native language. You may remember Bader from some past videos. Let's listen to him wish his mother Happy Mother's Day in his mother tongue. Expression number 4, everyone and his mother. This just means a lot of people. During the summer, the temperature around Morocco sometimes gets above 39 degrees. That's Celsius. And when it does, everyone and his mother go to seaside towns like Essaouira to stay cool. Expression number 5, like mother,
like daughter.
This is a common phrase to reflect our awareness of the fact that a daughter will have traits similar to her mother.
Mama Sheila had a gap between her 2 front teeth, and so did teacher Amelia. Like mother, like daughter.
Expression number 6, the mother lode. The mother lode is a major or profitable source or supply. My kitchen pantry is the mother lode of medical supplies. In this video, we studied 6 expressions with mother. If you're confused about any of these expressions, or you know any additional ones, please leave a comment down below. And please pray for my mother to get better so we can travel around the world together. And if you're blessed with a living mother, please remember to take care of her. After all, she's the reason you're here.